students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is, draw the diagram of a simple electric motor and label the splitting rings. So our diagram will be like this, where these are magnets, this will be our coil, and these are our splitting rings P and Q, and X and Y are our brush, this is our battery, and this is our switch. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.